Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and I'm here live from the Royal Singapore Yacht Club in Singapore, and I want to talk about something that I learned while I'm staying here in Singapore that's really amazing and everyone around the world can learn from that. So the other day I was visiting the Marina Barrage, which is one of Singapore's biggest water reservoirs in the entire country. And I learned about how they are trying to make Singapore a more eco-friendly place, how they encourage people to use more, to reuse more resources, to avoid wasting materials, and how to make everything like a better place. And one of the things that they came up with, how they can reduce the carbon footprint of Singapore, was that people use public transportation more and more. And they found out that a lot of people wouldn't use the public transport system because it's raining a lot in Singapore, like a lot. Like just me staying here, a lot of the days it was raining, like pouring cats and dogs. And I was just like, I want to stay indoors, so I want to take a cab. But the thing what Singapore did as a consequence so that to motivate people to use public transport more was they started building sheltered walkways from all the residential areas towards the next bus stop and towards the next MRT station. So by doing that, they made it much more likely that people say like, you know what, it's really easy for me to get to the bus, it's really easy for me to get to the next train and then to get where I want to be. So there was no need anymore to have a car. Now the big lesson to be learned from this, especially for you as a business owner or as an entrepreneur, you have to think about like what is holding your potential customers back from buying from you. Maybe there is a way how you can make it simpler for them, how maybe you can build a virtual walkway for them to your train station, which is your business, so it's easier for them to make the buying decision. Now, what could this be? That could be, as an example, maybe you are offering just one payment option on your online shop. Maybe you're just offering PayPal. There is other people who want to use their American Express card, or they want to use a different credit card, or they want to use like paying by invoice, or they want to use paying via direct debit. So by building all of those different options, how people can reach you, it's kind of like you're building a sheltered walkway. So if it's raining for them and they don't feel comfortable buying from you, you making it easier, you building a bridge from where they are to where you want them to be. Now let me know in the comments what you think about sheltered walkways to train stations. Have you ever been to Singapore? Have you built a bridge to your customers? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.